Today's math lesson is lesson 3. The objective of the lesson was to interpret the meaning of factors and the size of the group or the number of the groups. So what the kids learned today is that, and I'm going to do this with homework problem number 5, is it says to draw an array for the factors of 4 and 2. So when you have a multiplication problem, these two numbers are called the factors. And this 4 stands for the number of groups, or the number of rows. And this 2 stands for how many in each group. So if we're drawing an array for 4 rows of 2, it would be 4 rows and 2 in each one. And so that this would represent 4 times 2 equals 8. We also talked about number bonds that represent the same amount. So the amount is 8, or the answer is 8. And this number represents the number of groups. So each one of these from the number bond is a group. This number represents how many are in each group. So our number bond would look like that. Both of those, both the number bond and the array, represent 4 times 2 equals 8.